The Employees' Compensation Act 1923, as amended through Ec Amendment Act 2017. J. Omitted by Act 15 of 1933. K. Seaman means any person forming part of the crew of any ship, but does not include the master of the ship. L. Total disablement means such disablement, whether of a temporary or permanent nature, as incapacitates an employee for all work which he was capable of performing at the time of the accident resulting in such disablement, provided that permanent total disablement shall be deemed to result from every injury specified in Part I of Schedule I or from any combination of injuries specified in Part E thereof where the aggregate percentage of the loss of earning capacity, as specified in the said Part E against those injuries, amounts to 100% or more. M. Wages includes any privilege or benefit which is capable of being estimated in money, other than a traveling allowance or the value of any traveling concession or a contribution paid by the employer of an employee towards any pension or provident fund or a sum paid to an employee to cover any special expenses entailed on him by the nature of his employment. N. Omitted by Act 45 of 2009. 2. The exercise and performance of the powers and duties of a local authority or of any department acting on behalf of the government shall, for the purposes of this act, unless a contrary intention appears, be deemed to be the trade or business of such authority or department. 3. The central government or the state government, by notification in the official gazette, after giving not less than 3 months' notice of its intention so to do, may, by a like notification, add to Schedule E any class of persons employed in any occupation which it is satisfied is a hazardous occupation, and the provisions of this act shall thereupon apply, in case of a notification by the central government within the territories to which the act extends, or, in the case of a notification by the state government within the state, to such classes of persons, provided that in making addition, the central government or the state government, as the case may be, may direct that the provisions of this act shall apply to such classes of persons in respect of specified injuries only.